Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Beauty Wednesday today, so we're going to be talking hair. I just wanted you guys to see a quick before of my hair, okay, so that you're prepared for the transformation you're about to behold. But first, an unboxing. The unit I'm going to be using today is from Hergivenhair, okay? In the box, you get a satin pouch that you can use to store the wig. There is a letter here from their brand ambassador with her picture on it, and there's a care pamphlet that just gives you instructions on how to take care of your wig. The wig itself is in a plastic bag, and there's this little card with the wig description on it as well, and some extra combs. And this is the wig, guys. This unit is their Kinky blowout 3-in-1 half wig, and this is the texture. The texture is really like blown out hair, like when you do a blowout on your natural hair. This is the texture you get. This is also what the top of the wig looks like. It's not a headband wig and it's not a lace wig, so it's hemmed in such a way that the wig folds in nicely. Underneath you get some combs, which I've just shown you guys, and a drawstring, like 2 drawstrings that have clips attached, and a proper drawstring, the type that you would get with ponytails. So this wig is so versatile, okay? First thing I'm doing here is parting my hair, so I have to section it off like this because this is a half wig, like I already said. And it's important that I do this because the wig kind of starts, it can't start right at the front of your hair. So I'm just tying the part that I've sectioned off. I'm tying it up, and then I'm going to cover that part with a wig cap too. See, I'm giving Cynthia from Rugrats here. It was so funny when I looked at the camera, but just look at how neatly I've put everything away. The first thing I am going to do here, because I really don't want to straighten this hair, you guys have seen me use or install a Hergivenhair wig that has this texture on its own, so I really want to curl it, okay, to give you guys a different vibe. This wig is 22 inches long, the hair color is natural, and the wig cap is a free size wig cap, okay? It's not one of those ones where you have to pick a wig size. The wig size is free. It's a free size. So first thing I'm going to do is just take my time to curl this unit. I'm putting some heat protector on, and I'm just going to curl it gradually. You guys are going to see how lovely the curls look. I haven't used this wand in a very long time, so the first set of curls that I did before I got the hang of it, it was a little bit chaotic. Like, I'd use a different type of curler, but I really wanted to use a wand for this particular one. And guys, look how beautifully this hair curls. So we're going to move on to installation now. This is what the wig looks like, just holding it up to the camera. And now I am just going to try to put this on my head. So what I'm doing is just trying to make sure that I secure the combs down. I did it on the 2 sides, I did it in the back, and I did it in front. And then now I'm using this one. I know that you guys have not seen this, not even once, sorry. I'm using this straightener, this travel size straightener that I have. I know that you guys have not seen this like in a very long time, but I used to use this heavily when I still used to rock my pixie cut. And first I kind of curled inwards, and then I kind of took it away from my face, okay? And the reason I did this was just to give the hair in front some body at first. Like, I curled it back to give it body and make it a little bit wavy because the hair itself is wavy and I wanted a very good blend. The reason why I also made sure that my hair was like this, I didn't want to use this wig on like very freshly relaxed hair. The last time I relaxed my hair was back in December, and then my roots were so straight. I love the fact that the texture that I have on my, like I have some new growth, and it kind of looks like this is growing out of my scalp, which is the goal, guys. That is actually the goal, okay? To make sure that this looks like it's growing out of your scalp. The hair color itself matches my own hair color beautifully, and by the time I'm done with this, you wouldn't even really be able to tell where my own hair ends and where this wig begins. I played around with it and I loosened the curls, and you guys can see. I also purposely didn't use edge control at all because I wanted you guys to see just how this looked like your own hair blown out, our own hair texture blown out, okay? I loved it so much. You can wear this as a side part, you can wear it as an all back situation, you can wear it as a center part. I wanted to have it as a side part in this video. So next thing is to try and do a half up, half down. And that was the way I wore this wig out because I actually had a meeting after shooting this video. And I think that it also looked really great. Guys, this wig is perfect, yeah? For one, if you do not want to get a sew-in. Two, if you want to change things up with your hair really quickly without going to the salon or doing something tedious. Like, I think that it just works great. When you curl it, when you don't curl it, it just looks really great. It looks like your own natural hair, like our own natural hair texture, and I love it. This look, a vibe, an absolute vibe, okay? Like, people actually, I remember when my partner saw me, he was like, what did you do? And I was like, oh, it's this new half wig that I'm trying. So guys, all the additional information you need is going to be in the description box. Please make sure to check it out. A direct link to this wig will also be in the description box. I love you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.